type of animal has their own interesting feature. In this video, let's learn about the resting time in a day of farm animals, familiar animals, and monkeys. Dogs. According to some research, the sleep of a dog includes their short naps in the daytime and a long sleep at night. In 24 hours, they spend 50% of their time to sleep, 30% of their time to rest, and they only activate themselves 20% in a day. Puppies can sleep 18 to 20 hours per day. Older dogs tend to sleep more as well, while mature dogs sleep 12 to 14 hours. Cats. Normally, cats sleep average 15 hours per day. For a lazy kitten that loves to sleep, this period of time can go up to 20 hours per day. There are many different factors that affect the sleeping time of a cat, such as their age or their habitat. You can also see cats usually being a sleepyhead when the weather is gloomy and they cannot go outside to play. When it's cold or rainy, cats also spend more time sleeping and being lazy. Cows. Cow is a daytime animal. They will rest and sleep at night. But even during the sleep, they will not stop chewing. And the process of them synchronizing the fiber will not stop either. Horses. Horses have their features unlike other animals. They love sleep standing in the night. At night, no matter what time you come and pick them up, they will always be standing, but their eyes closed sleeping. In the nature, they sleep 6 to 8 hours per day, and their deep sleep process does not last longer than 3 to 4 hours. Elephants is also an animal that have short sleeping time. Some research have noted that the total sleeping time of an elephant is only 2 hours per day. Scientists also found out that a sleeping elephant does not move their body. Same with a giraffe. They only sleep a few hours per day due to the big size of their body. Monkeys. There are about 264 types of monkeys in the world. They are considered one of the animals that are closest to human beings. They are classified into two main groups. The old world monkeys that live in Africa and Asia, and the new world monkey that live in South America. Some monkeys live on land. Some live only on the trees. Different monkeys eat different types of fruits, insects, flowers, leaves, and reptiles.